Hi, I'm Gene with KT Industries. Today let's take a look at our Gold Select line of welding equipment, the 20P Plasma Cutter. This is a nice, lightweight, portable plasma cutter. It is great for that do-it-yourself person that just needs to get some cutting down around the home place. It cuts up to 1/4 inch steel. It will serve up to 20 amps. It does run on 120 volts. Comes with an extra supply of tips and electrodes. Now let's unbox the contents of the 20P plasma cutter. Once you have unboxed the 20P, let's take a look at what's included with this plasma cutter. First thing let's notice is the user's manual for easy instructions and safe operation. You will see it does come with some extra tips and electrodes. And everything is preset and hooked up with this unit. So here we have the ground clamp, which should be securely fastened to your ground source. And then we have your actual cutting tip and your torch handle. And of course, this plasma cutter has a source where you would have to attach your air. Your air is regulated by this device, this adjustment knob on the top. You just push it down or up to whether you want to adjust it to the proper pressure. And this pressure can be found on the front at this pressure gauge dial here. The power source is on the back end, so when you're ready for operation, you simply hit the power and adjust the amperage that you would want to use. At this point, you're ready to do some cutting. Once we have the Plasma 20 out of the box, we're ready to put it to use. So let's take a look at all of our safety equipment. We have some welding gloves that we're going to use, eye protection, and I have an auto dimmer helmet today. Once we are ready, make sure the ground clamp is properly secured to your metal source. Make sure you have your air supply, which quick attaches right into the back. Your adjustment for your air pressure is on the top of the unit right here. Click it into place and you can adjust it here, and you can see your indicator for your pressure to be used for the particular task at hand. Once you have that all ready to go, your power switch is in the back. Turn that to the on position and you're ready to make your first plasma cut. Cover.